welcome all of us.
Namaste and good morning to all of you.
Morning, sir.
Today we are feeling very proud to celebrate the 74th Republic Day of our country. I, on behalf of Adarsha vidyalaya Ronghang, welcome all our parents, our teachers, our students to this celebration. This is a milestone of all our works that we have done in our previous years. Today we are here to see what we have done in our previous years and what we have to do in the coming years. So on this occasion, I'd like to request and appeal all of us, all of you, to pledge, to devote yourself for the progress and the development of our locality, society, state, country and the nation at large. Our government is doing various programs for the development of our country. He is giving different platforms to the students also to take part in the growth and development of our country. Yesterday we have taught one quiz competition to class 6 and 7 students and told them to appear the quiz competition. If you appear that quiz, you will be knowing what is India. Where it is India now? What is the position of India? As I have already told, G20 summit will be conducted in our country this time. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, he will be hosting this G20 summit in our country. The theme of which is One Globe, One Family, One Future. We have to think together as a family and for a common future. So, telling this, I will appeal all to be a So we'll sing our national anthem. Samudra Savdhan. Command.
Spread wisdom. Spread sadhan. Now let's sing our national anthem.
Janagana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vijata Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Javina Uchala Ganga Inda Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jagasita Ranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Shisha Mage Jage Tava Jaya Gatha Janagana Mangalayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhatha Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He
Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Okay, now we will go to the school premises for celebrating our Saraswati Puja.
जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदू सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हम बुलबुले हैं सिकी हिंदू सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदू सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा सबसे ऊंचा हम साया आसमां का पर्वत सबसे ऊंचा हम साया आसमां का वो संतरी हमारा वो फासला हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा गोदी में खेलती है किसी की हजारों नदियाँ गोदी में खेलती है किसी की हजारों नदियाँ हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा सीता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा कोई धन है क्या तेरे धूल से भर के तेरे धूप से रोशन तेरे हवा पे जिंदा तू बाल है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्जी दीवाने की जब और सुहानी देगी तेरी शामों कभी याद करे जो जमाना जीते हर जाना तेरे शामिल मेरा नाम ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान फिसल के कोई धन है क्या तेरे धूल से भर के तेरे धूप से रोशन तेरे हवा पे जिंदा तू बादल है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा आचल तेरा रंगा रंग बिरंगा आसमां से गिरा तिरंगा जीने की इजाजत दे दे अब खुद सहाजत दे रेशम का हो नक्शादा तेरे दूर से तेरे हवा पे जिंदा मेरा मैं तेरा